Hello guys, today I will talk about the Chives and how to install their wallet and also how to download the database from their website and upload your wallet so to be ready to make a few plots and start to get money. But first of all, you need to access their website, the chivescoin.org. After that, you only have to go to the download area and then go for GitHub release. And this is what will be the page it will show you. So on the top, you will have the last release, and if you scroll down, you will have access to the links, so you may download the version you need. You have the Linux and also the Windows. On my case, I'm going to use the Windows, and I will download this one. And like you can see here, I already downloaded, so I'm not going to do it. I will open the folder instead. So here it is. All I have to do now is just double click and wait for it do the installation. It's really fast. Okay, after that it's going to open the GUI, and over here you will have a few options. You may recover old wallet in case you have one. You only need those 24 words, or you're going to create a new wallet. So I'm going to create a new wallet, and after a few seconds, a few times it may take a bit more, a bit longer, you will have 24 words. When you have these words, you may take a screenshot, you may write it on a paper. Just make sure no one will have access to those words, because with those words they can access to your wallet. Okay, so you already know this is a tutorial, so I don't care about this wallet. You may try, and anyway, you may try load these on your computer just to see how the things work and how easy it is. So okay, you have your 24 words, so now just next. After a while, it will open the GUI and it will start to synchronize with the mainnet, but we will do a different step on that. Okay, so soon I have my wallet load. I'm going to close the GUI, and then I will do the next step so we can upload the database. Okay, so this is the beginning of the synchronize. They give you the connection and everything. Okay, so what you're going to do, because your wallet is already created and is safe, you don't need to wait any longer. Just let's close. Now we go back to Chives Coin. Okay, so their website, and again we go to download area and then blockchain database. This will be the page it will open. If you look here, they have the release of 1.1.904. This is the last release, and inside you have the database. You only have to do download, just wait. On my case, I already have that file here. Okay, so I'm not going to download. I'm just going to open the folder again. And there we go. So let's go back, and here is. You only have to unzip, okay, and extract. Okay, it's done. Now you only have to grab these and cut it or copy, whatever. So you may copy, and you will find this folder I'm going to tell you. Okay, so on your case, you go to your local PC, and then the main drive you will have this installation made. Okay, like on my case will be the C. Then you go for the users, and the name of your computer. On my case is Memor is the name. Then inside you will have a dark Chives fold, and you will open, and inside you have the mainnet test. You double click, and then you go to DB, so that means database, and you can see is only 76 kappa. Okay, so it's really tiny one. So now you're going to just copy paste the database, and now you can see it's far bigger. What you have to do now is go to your desktop, a pretty one. So you go here and you just double click on the icon of your GUI. You will wait. then you only have to open your wallet and wait a bit for the synchronize. Okay, soon it starts. You will see instead of zero something, you will have a number and something. So will be the last block. Okay, is the peak is here. So will be zero and this number after. Okay. Okay, guys, so you can see the synchronization have been done, the synchronize have been done, and now it's not zero something, but instead, because of the database we upload, now we start with a good advances. Okay, I also had one or two peers on the connections here. Okay, it's easy. You can just make the address and the ports. I find them on these websites, okay, but I advise you to go to the Chives website, then scroll down and join their Discord and ask there for safe connections. Okay, it's always better. Guys, I hope these help you to join the Chives world, and on the next videos you will learn more about everything about the project, how to mine, also how to join a pool, that is really important, and also the most important thing, how can you leave that pool and don't get banned. Okay, guys, so see you on the next video.